Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chili vinegar. Start by toasting 20 g dried chilies lightly, then warm 250 ml rice vinegar to just below boiling and pour over chilies in a sterilized jar. Seal and let steep for at least 72 hours for flavor development. Strain if desired or keep solids for extra heat. Use sparingly on noodles, dumplings, or grilled vegetables for a bright, spicy kick. In this video, I will show how to make chili vinegar. Measure 20 g dried chilies and 250 ml rice vinegar, and add 1 tsp salt to balance flavors. Optionally include 1 tablespoon neutral oil or a clove of roasted garlic for smoother mouthfeel and extra aroma. Sterilize a mason jar and use a funnel to keep things tidy. This method keeps ingredients simple and results in a bright, versatile condiment you can tweak to taste. In this video, I will show how to make chili vinegar. Lightly toast chilies 1-2 minutes until fragrant, then place them in the jar. Heat 250 ml vinegar until steaming, pour it over the chilies and add salt, then seal the jar tightly. Let the mixture steep at room temperature for at least 72 hours, shaking gently once a day. Taste and adjust salt or steeping time, then refrigerate to preserve freshness and flavor for months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.